I did a recap. Yeah, last week we talked about what's an element. Okay, so what's an element? It is a substance which cannot be broken down into two or more simple substances by chemical means. You have to memorize this definition. Too cold, you sit over here. Come on. Yeah, you always complain hot and now complain too cold. Okay. Okay, Blossom, how's your holiday so far? Blossom?
I tried silent for the first time.
Quite bad.
Ah, why? Why is it quite bad? Wait, let's listen to Blossom.
Because I got sick.
Oh no! So your holiday became like a recoup.
Yeah, they had to do like the COVID test.
Oh no! You took the test. All right. Did you do the? You did the swab. Is it nose one? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it painful?
Yeah. Is it painful? Vivian asked, is it painful?
Yeah, it's quite pain.
On a scale of 0 to 10, how would you rate the pain?
Like 7 or 8.
7. Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, I tell you already.
Actually, I also did the test, right? That was many weeks ago. Many weeks ago. Yeah, many weeks ago.
I remember last year you told me.
Was it last year? Yeah, it was. Was it? I think it was last year. Last year. Okay. So I did the test, right? So the stick was this long. I mean longer, right? It's like double the size. So this amount went into the nose.
Yeah.
This amount, this length.
How you put that in the nose?
Yeah, this length went into the nose.
Can you cotton bud inside?
Yeah, can you see where it went? You went like you had to do that, and then this amount went in. Okay.
Oh my god! So they...
And then it's not that, no, not all, no. He will go and like that. Then will. I don't know about you, right? But I was suffocating. I was trying to like no. Then he book.
How long is the pain, man?
Huh? About 5 seconds. Go in and swap. You know, swap.
I don't understand the meaning of
Swap means scrape. They need to scrape some cells out. Alright. So once after he's done with one, he had to do another one. Then was like, oh, you.
Two sides.
Yeah, two lah.
Oh, shit.
Then go in this.
So
Yeah.
10 seconds of pain lah.
It's this length, okay? Terrible,
You
right?
must have said you put that thing you wipe.
You might as well just put your pen in your nose.
It's not pen, but I'm saying the length. The length is
Yeah, the thing where you put in your ear thing lah. The cotton.
no. It's another type. It's very long one.
Yeah, I know, but it's
Yeah, similar. Yeah. So he went in and then
The thing stuck in.
he start lah. It's done by a doctor, okay? Qualified doctor. Only qualified doctors can do this. Okay? Not everybody.
I was there. They said sometimes right they had the
Ew, that's so scary. Yeah, so Blossom, I understand the pain, right? So David also know it's very painful. Okay. You're fine, right? Just to check, Blossom, you're fine, right?
Yeah.
Qualified, can go back to school. All right, that's great. All right, so coming back to here, for me, my week was very busy. I'm here every single day.
USS.
I didn't go USS. For 2 consecutive weeks, I've been coming to every single day. Yeah, I went to I didn't go. I went to the bird park. Wrong bird. Got what bird? Obviously, I saw plenty of birds, okay? But what was most fascinating was no, it's the size of the vulture and the birds, right? I mean the eagles, okay? I mean usually we see them in pictures, right? They're like not a big deal. But then when you go up close and then oh my god, the bird is so big. Like
so big. You go zoo, you go zoo better. You know why?
What?
You go to see the bat.
The what?
I saw before, man.
Yeah, I'm not gonna talk to David anymore. He talks in baby language. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's come back to here, right? So last week we went through this, right? So element, right? Everybody knows what's an element. You want to see a picture of an element? Yeah, I have.
An element
It's a simple substance that cannot be broken down into 2 or more simple by any chemical means. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna go through this already. Okay. Then I went through this. This is a compound. Why is it a compound? Because it's made of 2 or more elements chemically combined. Okay, so H2O How do you prove H2O as a compound? You can actually break down H2O into hydrogen and oxygen. Oh, by the way, Blossom, we have a new student next week. Okay, her name is Rachel.
Girl.
Yeah, girl. Okay, girl. Where
She
got
was
okay?
beside.
Davian. Yeah.
No.
What do you mean no? Right, she was a last year student. I don't know if you.
What class?
Huh? What class?
Yeah, what?
Science class. Oh, we had 2 science class last year. Yeah, it's the Thursday one. The Thursday one. The other Thursday class. Okay, so
Would you rather the Saturday class or the Thursday
what do you mean?
class? Would you prefer teaching?
No, lah, both are fine. Oh, yeah, all okay. Okay, so let's come back to here, right? So all elements are arranged in the periodic table.
Yes.
Horizontal, what do you call horizontal?
Yeah.
Vertical?
Group.
Group, very good. Now it's time to test the
Oh
element.
no, that's all.
Yeah. No, we all do together, okay? What's hydrogen? Oh,
What's
shit, I
hydrogen?
just said the answer. What's He?
Helium.
Lithium. How about lithium? What? Okay. Sorry. Okay, what's Be?
Beryllium.
Beryllium. Beryllium. What's B?
Boron.
Boron. What's C?
Calcium.
Wait, no, that's carbon. Carbon.
Carbon. And
Nitrogen.
nitrogen. O.
Oxygen.
F.
Fluorine.
Fluorine. Ne.
Neon.
Neon. Na.
No, I can.
What the hell?
What is Na? Eh, you all don't know. What's Na?
Potassium.
No. Blossom.
Sodium.
Sodium. You see, every difficult one must ask Blossom.
Magnesium.
Magnesium. Al.
Aluminum.
Si.
You know.
No, that's silicone.
Silicone. Very good. P.
Potassium.
No, that's no. This is a
No.
Sulfur. Wait.
No. No.
PHO.
Sulfate.
No.
How to pronounce?
Carbon.
P. What's P?
PHOP.
Foramium.
Foramium. No. Blossom. Do you know?
Phosphorus.
Yeah. Phosphorus.
But remember
Is that PHO?
Yeah. PHO. So pH. The pronunciation is F. Right. Phosphorus.
No, it's PHO for the phone noodles at Vietnamese restaurant.
S. What's S?
This sulfur.
Sulfur.
Sulfur. Cl.
Chlorine.
Real.
Argon.
K.
What?
Carbon.
What? No, it's not Kelvin. K. What's K?
What?
Right. Blossom. Always ask you for the different one.
Potassium.
Yeah, that's potassium, right? Okay. Ca.
Calcium.
Okay. Yeah, that's the 20.
Okay, next one.
Huh? This one?
Forgot.
Scandium.
Atomic
PI.
number. Wait, no. Atomic number 74
Titanium.
is.
What?
Huh?
What?
Atomic number 74.
74. I don't know.
Wait, let me try to remember.
Okay, so you don't need to know the rest, right? Just first 20 and you'll be good all the way. You're good all the way to set 4. Okay?
Atomic number 74.
I don't know lah, I don't remember.
Light bulb one.
Light bulb, light bulb,
Light bulb.
argon,
No.
tungsten.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's move on, right? So we have a chemical symbol. We already learned that vertical, horizontal, zigzag staircase. So there's a zigzag staircase here. Right. Now, what does the zigzag staircase do?
Separates the metals.
Yeah, where are the metals?
Metals there.
There.
Left
The white
That's
one. Then
no metals are the
ones.
right hand side. Okay. So what else? Okay, properties of metals and non-metals. I think this common sense. Okay, everybody can remember this. High density. Okay, there's one keyword you need to know. What's this? Malleable. Okay, what's the meaning of malleable?
Can form into a different shape.
Yeah, very good. What? How about ductile? What's a
This
duct?
one is for the wire to stretch. on.
Oh, excellent! Right? Are you top in your class?
No.
Oh, you're going to be, okay, because you remember all this stuff. Okay, so the users, right? How it looks like, all the users. I don't. You don't have to memorize every single one of them. Okay, it's just it really depends on what your notes are going through and what your teacher is going
Hey,
through.
Pakistan bomb.
Next one. Okay, so then we went on to compound, right? What's a compound? Two or more different. See, we circle the keyword, different. Chemically combined. They have to be chemically combined. Now, what's the meaning of chemically combined?
Explosion.
Explosion, fire, heat is
When
given out.
David burned his finger.
Yeah, electricity, right? So anytime there's this type of thing going on, it's chemically combined. So here are some examples of common compounds that you need to know. Okay, salt is you definitely need to know. Salt. sodium chloride. So it's NaCl, sodium and chlorine. Sugar, if you know, I think that's
Wait, so
good.
if you combine sodium and
Chlorine.
chlorine,
You get salt. Yeah, you get salt. So a metal plus one metal will give you. Sodium is a piece of metal. Sodium,
sodium is found in our food.
yeah. Sodium literally looks like a metal. This thing. Okay, this is sodium.
How come they put it in food?
Yeah, because sodium plus chlorine becomes salt. It's salt. You take metal, you plus the chlorine, you get this. Right?
How does that even work?
Yeah, this called science, right? This is nature. Nature.
What kind of material is a chlorine?
What kind of
Is
huh?
it a liquid?
Yeah, it's a liquid.
Really?
It's chlorine. Chlorine is a liquid. Chlorine. Right? Pure chlorine looks like this, yellow
Oh,
color
I thought it
liquid.
looked like the Asian girl over there.
No, this one, right? Chlorine is a yellow color liquid, right? So you take the metal,
That's
you
green.
yellow lah.
Then you crystallize.
Yeah, you become the salt that you eat. Simple.
Crystallization.
Right? This one. Chlorine looks like
Yeah.
a
Look
It's
like
green.
parts.
liquid, right?
It's green.
You see, put inside the what do we call that?
What does chlorine do in the pool?
Kill bacteria. Chlorine kills bacteria. Just like your stomach, we have every one of our stomach we have hydrochloric acid.
So when you have
Chlorine.
warm, right, meaning that someone peed in it.
What?
I have no idea what you just said. Okay, so let's move on. All right. So water is H2O, so hydrogen and oxygen, calcium carbonate, and so on and so forth. So all these are compounds. How do you know they are compounds? Because they are consist of two or more, and they must be different elements chemically combined. Okay, got it? Okay, next we went on. So here are examples of chemical methods, right? Burning, reaction, one plus another one, compound plus compound, decomposition, that means you break down stuff, right? You get different, these are all chemical reaction. Okay, these are called chemical reaction. So next we were introduced to this concept called mixtures. Okay, so what's a mixture?
When
Two
when
or
consists
more
of two or more
Substances not
chemically
mixed but
combined.
not chemically combined. So easy, right? Example of mixture? Example of mixture? What's an example of mixture? Milo dinosaur.
Because it's just suspension.
Okay. So then, of course, later on we talk about solution suspension. Okay.
Insolubility.
Yeah. Here is just mixtures. So no chemical reaction. Okay. Let's look at the characteristics of mixture. Right? So no chemical reaction. Like when you mix the Milo drink, there isn't an explosion. There isn't any heat or whatever. Right. So number two, the constituents can be mixed in any proportion. That means you can have 5 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of powder, or you can have half a tin of powder plus water. You will still get Milo. Got it? Right? There's no fixed proportion. Whereas for compound, must be fixed proportion, like 1 sodium and 1 chlorine together. You cannot have 2 chlorine and 1 sodium.
Why not?
Cannot. If they cannot combine, the element cannot combine. It's like Lego brick, right? The Lego brick just cannot. They just can't combine.
Just break it into half.
Yeah, you got to break it up, right? And then it's not sodium chloride anymore. That's the problem. Okay, number 3, the compounds can be easily separated by physical method. That's for mixture, right? So physical method, remember you all studied the different physical method. What are the different physical method? Filtration, distillation, crystallization, chromatography, right? So all these are physical method. So compound cannot separate by physical method, but mixture can be separated by physical method. Okay, next, the compounds retain their individual properties even when they are mixed together. So that's why your Milo drink, you can still taste the chocolate because it's not combined to form something new. You
I
understand?
don't really like Milo.
Yeah, Ovaltine. You drink Ovaltine, right? Like little boys drink Ovaltine. No, then what do you drink?
Never.
I know you drink milk.
Yeah.
That's baby.
Water, milk.
I don't know. Okay, so here are a lot of examples. See, so H2O, CO2, NaCl, these are compounds, right? Then here, Milo,
Wait,
you
is
know,
sulfur
and
dioxide
it's a compound. Sulfur dioxide is a compound. Right, so sulfur, iron, fouling, chalk powder, water, oil, water, right? Okay, so how compounds form? Okay, we really went through this about that, and that's it. Okay, elements, compound, mixture. So today what we're going to do is we actually have this new worksheet. that I've printed for you guys. Okay. Blossom. I don't know if you have access to this. It's actually the next part. The last time we didn't.
Water's an element.
Water is H2O.
How about air?
Air is a mixture. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go through this part. Okay, so,
Water.
so these are more advanced questions because last time when we did this, it was like an introduction for you all. So we couldn't do the advanced questions. Now we do the advanced science. Okay, still sec one, still sec.
Compound, right?
Water is a compound, yes.
How about sodium chloride?
Sodium chloride is salt. Alright, so can y'all start to do this now? I'm going to give you about 15 minutes, okay? So you try to do as much as you can, then we go through the multiple choice.
Okay, you have to take out every single thing you do.
Okay, it's time to go through right now, okay? It took about 15 minutes to do this, okay? These are advanced elements and compounds questions which only advanced students can answer, right?
We're not advanced.
So, first one, which of the following is an element? Okay, let's ask Blossom. Which one is not an element? What's the answer?
D.
D, B. Yeah, B is correct because
No, D.
D. Oh no, D is wrong. Answer is B. Wait. Which one of the following is an element? D. Yeah, D is correct. D. Mercury. Okay, the rest are compound. Next, which of the following is not an element? Sarah? You're correct. Because steel is a mixture. Alright, steel is a mixture. Next one, which of these is not a compound? Davian?
Huh?
Number
I'm not
3.
advanced. You see these are advanced students.
Come on, you're here means you're advanced. Okay, which of these is not a compound?
I don't do.
Why? Blossom?
D.
D?
No, B.
Yeah,
B for-
B.
D is correct. Okay, now remember what's the definition of compound? Two or more, and then there's a keyword different. Okay, the keyword is it has to be different. So here there's nitrogen, there's oxygen, so it can be this, can be this, can be this, so it's D. Okay, because here there are two and more different. Next one, which of the following can be broken down further?
Sodium chloride.
Because it's a compound, okay, by chemical method. Okay, next. Which of the following contains a mixture, element, compound? Mixture, element, compound. A is correct. Right, so we have soil, mixture, calcium is an element, sugar is a compound. Which of the following is a molecule of a compound? Blossom? Molecule of a compound. Blossom.
D.
D is correct. This is an element, right? Oxygen is an oxygen element.
No,
This
compound.
these three are all elements are oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen. Okay, what's the chemical formula for oxygen?
Huh?
Chemical formula?
Oh.
O. Yeah. How about chlorine?
Cl.
Cl. How about nitrogen?
N.
How about ammonia?
A.
No. NH3.
Who the hell will know that, man?
You have to memorize. Okay, ammonia is NH3.
NH3.
NH3. Alright, so it's a compound. Now, ammonia and NH3, what is ammonia about? If you go to the toilet, you will smell ammonia because it's pee.
You pee?
Our pee, urine, right, is ammonia, full of ammonia.
Can we drink it?
No. Next.
My brother tried to pee.
Come on. Sarah, 7, what's the answer? Oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is O2. Okay, O2. So which one looks like O2? No, answer is B. Why is it B?
Oh, 2 O's there.
Yeah, O2. Can you see O2? Right? No. Oxygen O2, what it means is there are two atoms of oxygen combining like this, right? So this is each one of them is O2. Okay, two oxygen atoms coming together. to form a compound, right? So the rest are not correct because you see this has got like so many black color stuck to the white color. This is like mixture, right? Davian, 8.
Yes. Huh? 8. Never do.
Do now. P and Q are both gases. They combine to form a compound R. Which of the following are P, Q, R?
B.
For B, yeah. Okay, P is oxygen, Q is hydrogen. Yeah, you're right. B.
Oxygen.
B. Okay, how about Blossom? Next one. What are the elements it contains?
A.
A. Yeah, so there's carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. That's right. So that's why I asked you all to memorize. See? C is carbon, H is hydrogen.
Oh, this is the Kehoe and the Nao and the.
Yeah, something like that, right? So A is absolutely correct.
We have to test us on that later.
No, that's okay. Okay, what is a vertical column in the periodic table known as?
Period.
What is
Oh,
the
okay.
vertical
Group.
column? Yeah, group.
I forgot with verticals like that.
Yeah, vertical is called a group. Next one. Vivian, which of the following considered periodic table is correct?
Family.
D.
D. The elements are arranged in order of their mass. A. Wait, the metallic volume increases across the group. The size increases down the group. Okay. The best answer is
C.
B.
B. C.
Right, down the group it becomes bigger and bigger. Okay, now what's wrong with this? Metallic property increases across the period. That's not true, right? It's not increase, no, it's decrease. Right, because on the left hand side is metal, right hand side is not metal, right? So it becomes less like a metal across the period. Next one. Wait, who's turn? David. 12.
Well. Not done.
Which of the following represents a property of an atom with proton number 19 and a mass number 40?
The
So,
proton.
oh,
The proton.
yeah,
I'm serious looking at myself on the camera, man.
Because I feel like my F will pimple on my phone.
right. Okay, so which one is the atomic number? So they ask for proton number 19 and a mass number 40. So proton number 19 is fluorine. Okay, is this one over here?
Okay.
Wait, wrong. Proton 19, sorry, here, potassium. All right, so where is it? Is it in group 2? Is this group 2? No, this
No,
group
this is
1. So first one wrong. So one. So it has the same number of protons as neutrons. Proton, proton, neutron, no. It has the same number of protons as electron, yes. It is found in the third period. Is it the period? 1, 2,
No,
3.
Oh,
Period
no.
1 is here.
Yeah,
This period
that's
1,
19 ma?
2, 3. No, it's 4.
Yeah, it's wrong.
So it's wrong. So this is wrong. So answer is C. Okay, next, Blossom 13. Which of the following describes how elements belonging to the same group should behave?
D.
Gradual change from metallic to no, it's wrong. B, answer is B. They share similar chemical properties. So all the elements in the same group, that means vertically, all of them share the same chemical properties. Next one, at 30 degrees Celsius, X is a solid, Y is a gas, which the following describes both elements at 30 degrees Celsius, Sarah? C. Why? Why? You see, X is a solid, right? So it's high density. So Y is a gas, so low density one. That's all. Solid has higher density than gas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it.
Oh.
Okay, which of the following is not a gas at room temperature? Okay, so it's a gas, bromine gas, right? Answer is B. Okay, I answer this because you might not know, right? Chlorine are liquid. They are usually liquid at room temperature. Next one, which of the following is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust? That means you can find the most. The most.
Oh, iron.
The most.
Nitrogen.
The most.
Nitrogen. Nitrogen. D.
Let's find out.
Huh?
Which is the most
Because, nitrogen is
abundant element on Earth? Oxygen.
Huh?
Oxygen.
Really?
Okay,
What's abundant mean?
there's a lot.
Oh.
So D. Okay, next one. Which statement best supports the fact that air is a mixture and not a compound? David? 17.
17
Yeah.
What's combustion?
Okay, so mixture can be separated easily by physical method. Okay, so the oxygen in the air can be easily removed. Combustion means for burning, right? So you can actually easily remove the oxygen to use for burning fire. Okay, next one. Green substance is either Y, blah, 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 which of them? Oh, yo. Fabulous X and Y. Davian, 18. What gas turns lime water chalky?
Carbon dioxide.
Yeah, so Y
So
must be
Y
a
is a compound.
compound. How about X? Can X be an element?
Nah.
So answer is
C.
How come X cannot be an element?
Because X is, I also don't know. X element. X element, there's only one thing.
So,
Okay, so it become compound.
oh, very good, right? Do you understand how it works, Sarah? Okay, Blossom, 19, what's the answer?
I did the experiment.
Which one?
This one, the line one.
Oh. So, Blossom, mercury is a typical metal, is silvery liquid. What can we infer about mercury?
B.
B for boy, is it? Is it B?
Yeah.
Low melting point. And low melting, yeah, that's fine. Okay, because it's a liquid. Okay, next one. Last one. 20. Sure.
20. A.
Nope.
D.
Yes. D for donkey.
Yeah, D for donkey, yes.
D for Dabayon.
What?
D for me.
Davion.
Dabayon.
Okay, so why is it D? Because you see, when they are mixed together, it's just a mixture. Okay, no chemical reaction. However, when when they are heated together, you form a gray compound. Now, this gray compound is it's a compound, right? So it's something new. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is you're gonna do the next part. Okay, the time now is 5:25. You all need a short break. Okay,
I got short break lah.
you all want a short break, right? You need a short break because she was here for how many hours? 4 hours. No, 2 hours. I think 2 hours. 2 hours already. Okay. Okay.
5:25 was here at
3 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours 30 minutes. Right. Okay. We take a short, quick one. Yeah. Blossom. We take a short, quick break. Is that okay? Then we'll come back and then we'll do this thing. Okay. We take 5 minutes. 5 minutes break. Okay. When we come back, we will do the structured questions. All right. Pause recording. Let's take a look at this now. So helium, what's the symbol for helium? Blossom? Chemical symbol?
He.
Is it a metal or non-metal? Is it a
Non-metal.
non-metal? Yeah, no. Okay, next. What is Ca, Sarah? Ca. What element is Ca?
calcium.
Very good, right? So calcium. Okay, is it a metal or non-metal? Metal. Okay, next fluorine. What's fluorine, David? What's fluorine?
FL.
F or FL? F. Metal or non-metal? Non-metal. Okay, next. Ag. Awesome. Do you know what is Ag? It's not the first 20, right? Okay.
Argon.
Argon.
No, argon is Ar. What's Ag? Silver.
The hell?
Is silver a metal or non-metal?
What?
Huh? Silver, is it a metal or non-metal? Silver. Metal.
Metal.
Okay. Okay, how about chlorine? What's the chemical symbol? It's carbon. Cl. So non-metal. Okay, zinc. Zn. This is metal. So argon is Ar. Magnesium is no. What's magnesium? What's magnesium?
MAG.
No. What's magnesium?
MG.
Yeah, Mg.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so obviously this is a metal. This one is non-metal. Okay, P. David, what's P? P. What is P?
Potassium.
No.
No is the
Phosphorus.
Ah, very good. How to spell phosphorus?
pH.
P H O S P H O R O U S.
Wow. English
Right.
and spiders.
Non-metal. Okay,
I don't know
SN.
how to spell.
SN is tin.
Oh, phosphorus probably. Like,
Yeah.
Oh, I guess not. I don't know how to spell first. Yeah.
Prestigious. Wow. P-I-G-I-O-U-S. Prestigious. Prestigious. Okay, next one. What's Ni?
Nitric acid.
Nuclear.
Nickel.
Nickel. Oh wow, that easy. Okay.
Alright, so to be fair, you need the periodic table. So I did not give you the periodic table. Okay, so okay, predict one property. Nickel. What kind of property do you think it has? What? Metal? Yeah, what's the property of metal? High density, is it high or low?
Density.
Ah, high density. Why? Because it will sink.
Yeah.
Okay, sink in water. So how many elements are present in sulfuric acid? Look at this. This is H2SO4.
Oh yeah, we learned this.
How many elements are there here?
Hydrogen.
Okay.
Hydrogen.
Hi.
Two hydrogen.
Hi. I'm waiting.
Sulfur.
Okay.
Oxygen.
So how many?
Three.
Three. Yeah, very good. Three elements, right? Hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. Okay, name a chemical reagent that can be added to neutralize this. Neutralize. That means cancel out H2SO4. What chemical can cancel H2SO4?
Nitric acid.
Alkali, right?
Oh yeah.
Alkali is the opposite of acid, right? So give me an example of an alkali.
This.
I want a chemical formula. Chemical formula, do you remember? I made you all memorize more. Remember?
The CHOH.
Which one? Okay, KOH. Right, potassium hydroxide.
Oh. Cool.
Potassium hydroxide. Okay, so this is something that splits water into its elements. So what is gas A and what is gas B? Now this is water. So water is H2O, okay? Can you tell me what is gas A? And what's gas B? Obviously, hydrogen and oxygen is taken out, right? But what gas is here? Now you look at this, right? Is only this amount, and then gas B is twice. Which one has twice? Eh? Is it hydrogen or oxygen? Okay, Blossom. Blossom, are you there? Blossom.
Yeah.
All right, you get to answer the last question, right? They're dying.
Me?
One is dying of cold, the other is dying of not enough internet, social
I
media.
got data.
Oh, you got this, but yeah. Okay, Blossom. What is gas A and what's gas B?
Gas A is oxygen, then gas B is hydrogen.
How do you know? How do you know?
Because hydrogen, then behind have two, so it's like two
Awesome.
of the two
Correct.
hydrogen and then one oxygen.
Yeah, because twice. Okay, so gas A is oxygen, and gas B is hydrogen. Okay, so we're gonna stop here today. Okay, I will for those coming math. I will see you tomorrow, right? And yeah, so Sarah, you can go already. Okay, bye.
Then what about the hell, man?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Okay, bye bye.